I'm gonna try painting today. If I don't paint today, you should get mad at me. But that's the goal, I have to paint today. Okay? So months ago we had a live painting session, which was a Paint for a Cause auction event, and we only had 2 hours to do the artwork. So the rest of the time we just finished it at home, and this is me finishing the whole thing and packaging the work. I got invited to another art show this coming November, so I'm excited. It says open theme. When painting with acrylic, it can be intimidating because the medium dries fast, but it's important to paint calmly. So, listen to music when painting. I highly suggest that. I also trimmed down a couple of parts in this video of me just color mixing, but I actually did a lot of color mixing on my palette first before applying the paint on the canvas, and this took half the time of the process, but it's crucial because getting the right color is getting the right tonal value. So while we were preparing for the show, a super typhoon entered Cebu and it affected so many of us. There were flooding in many areas and it was devastating. Instead of having the number of artists that was originally planned for the show, there were fewer of us now, and it's understandable because when you're in a situation like that, you have to put survival first. But overall, I do hope that the government will not forget this event and will take it seriously, because we have to find ways to avoid these life-threatening situations.